XLR8 Roofing construction at a house over here off of Tuscaloosa. Homeowner called us. We'd done a roof previously for them, so they gave us a call so they could have someone out here to give them an honest opinion about any hail impact damage that they may have had. Collateral damage on the screened-in enclosure. There's a lot of holes and perforations all over the screened-in enclosure, and then there's impact marks on the whole south-facing slope of the house. So I'm just going to turn the camera around and show you guys a little bit about that. But you can see there's a lot of holes all over the screened-in enclosure. Probably one of the worst hailstorms we've had since maybe like last May. So as we approach the other side of the house here, you can see that this whole slope of the house has impact marks all over it. We have some collateral damage to the metal ridge ventilation. The hail impacts those areas and puts a nice dent in there and kind of stripped the paint off of it. That happened pretty much all the way down the ridge vent. And then you can see we got a bunch of hail impact marks over here. This is a hail impact mark. And you can see by the bruising here in a circle, this little indentation where it starts to displace the granules here. And then there's another thing. This is just regular blistering on a house. Like you can see this mark right here. This is just a little bit of blistering from the sun. So it's a little bit different than a hail impact mark, but as we come over here to this hail impact mark, you can see clearly where the hail impacted the roof. So it's always good to be a little bit informed when it comes to the customers and what the insurance companies are looking for when hail impacts an area and this area was actually hit pretty hard. Pretty typical for any kind of hailstorm that the hail will impact one slope and maybe not even the other. It may affect your neighbor's house and then not the house next door. It just depends on how the hail is sheeting down. Once again, this is Phil with XLR8 Roofing. Appreciate your time. Thanks for watching our videos.